We're just going to do a quick snagging list at the 2-bed. So ideally there should be a cover here, just to make it a bit more presentable, and maybe just paint this up. Things like that just needs paint, just needs wiping away. That's interesting, so that might, okay. I'm guessing that's where the blinds or curtains used to be, so that either needs to be removed or put a new pole there for new curtains. Doorstop, fine. So it needs a banister here. This would all look a lot completely different once the flooring has gone down. Okay, reception room, doorstop. This wire here, no, it needs to be removed or painted into the wall along those as well. Just the paint here, you can just kind of see. That just needs a touch of paint. Some gaps along here. That just needs sealing up. Not sure what's going on there, but I'm guessing that just needs to be painted. Ideally, that should be removed, really, because the tenant is going to try to use it. Yeah, well, it certainly should be disconnected anyway. Okay, this needs a doorstop. In fact, there needs to be a doorstop. All the doors in the property needs doorsteps, and they need checking to see if they have doorstops or not. I think I saw about 5 that doesn't. Some do and some don't. If that's where the boiler is, then we need to be able to access it. So that can't be fully sealed off. It needs to be on a hinge. It needs to be hinged so it can open, I would expect. These tiles, ideally there should be like a plastic trim along there. I think that will come off over time. Otherwise this is fine. Unfortunately, I don't have the key for this on me, and it's not around the house, so I can't go into the utility room. There's not a lot of space anyway. Garden is relatively straightforward. Obviously all this needs clearing, all the rubbish at the front needs clearing as well. Maybe neaten that up or just paint over it. That probably should be removed, just in case. That needs to be removed, just bits and bobs needs to be removed. I don't know, the rest are just plant pots that I guess they can stay. Or if everything's been removed, then maybe remove everything in one go, just to make the place more presentable and there's no confusion on what was provided to tenants. Okay. So bathroom, just neating up the silicone along here. Don't come off over time. There's a bit of paint there. Stop again, doorstop in here. I'm assuming that's been tested, but if it hasn't, it certainly needs to be tested. And just check all the seals along here, and probably just reseal all that just in case. It's probably most likely cheaper just to reseal it than to investigate along here. So I'll just reseal that. There isn't an extractor fan in here, but there are 2 windows, and hopefully that would be enough. I'm not sure if it would be. Okay, bedroom, again, doorstop in there, but otherwise this is straightforward. Some gaps there. Ceiling. I think hatch to the roof, to the loft, that needs a cover, and I think in here, obviously it needs a clean. I think that should, yeah, I think that should. We've got obviously a door stop there as well. All right, see you.